Let me show you the easiest 100 a day strategy I've ever used and how you can start today. This method is beginner-friendly, scalable, and works perfectly in 2025. The strategy revolves around AI-powered content kits. I sell digital content kits that include social media caption templates, Notion planners, and ChatGPT prompt packs. These products are simple to create, highly sought after, and require absolutely no inventory. To get started, you'll need a few tools. First up is ChatGPT, which helps you generate captions, ideas, and outlines effortlessly. Next, there's Canva, perfect for formatting and beautifying your products. Finally, Gumroad is the platform where you'll host and sell your creations. The cost? Zero. The time investment? Just about 1 to 2 hours per product. Now, let's talk about how I consistently make $100 a day with this method. I typically list 3 products, each priced between $9 and $27. I promote them on Pinterest and Twitter by sharing valuable posts that attract attention. Over time, I let SEO and traffic do their magic, resulting in 1 to 2 sales a day. And that's how it adds up to $100. It's really that straightforward. So, why does this approach work so well? For starters, there's low competition if you niche down. For example, creating templates specifically for fitness coaches or realtors can set you apart. Plus, these products are evergreen. Once they sell, they continue to generate income indefinitely. And let's not forget scalability. The more products you add, the more you can automate delivery and increase your earnings. If you're not making money yet, I encourage you to give this a try. It's simple, profitable, and proven to work.